Imagine waking up one day to discover that everything you've ever known is a lie. That the world around you, your memories, your very existence, is nothing more than lines of code in a vast, unknowable computer program. This isn't science fiction. This is the simulation hypothesis. For centuries, philosophers have pondered the nature of reality. Is what we perceive truly real, or is there a deeper, hidden layer to existence? In recent years, this ancient question has taken on a new, startling form. Are we living in a simulation? The simulation hypothesis, popularized by thinkers like Nick Bostrom, proposes that an advanced civilization could have the technological capacity to create incredibly realistic simulations of past realities. These simulations would be so detailed, so immersive, that the inhabitants within would be completely unaware of their artificial nature. Could we be among them? The philosophical argument for the simulation hypothesis rests on a few key assumptions. Firstly, that technological progress is essentially limitless. Given enough time, civilizations will inevitably reach a point where they can create incredibly powerful computers. Secondly, that simulating consciousness is possible. If minds can be reduced to information, then they can, in theory, be replicated within a simulated environment. Finally, that there is a significant interest in running such simulations. Perhaps to study history, to understand the past, or simply for entertainment. If these assumptions hold true, then the sheer number of simulated realities would vastly outnumber the single base reality. Therefore, statistically, it's more likely that we are living in a simulation than not. But is there any scientific evidence to support this mind-bending idea? Some physicists have pointed to anomalies in the behavior of the universe that could be interpreted as glitches in the simulation. One such anomaly is the Planck length, the smallest possible unit of measurement in the universe. It's theorized that space itself might be quantized, meaning it's made up of discrete units, like pixels on a screen. This granularity could be a sign that our universe is being rendered by a computer, limited by its processing power. Another area of interest is quantum mechanics, particularly the phenomenon of wave function collapse. When we observe a quantum particle, its wave function collapses into a definite state. Some have suggested that this collapse only occurs when the particle is being observed, perhaps to conserve processing power within the simulation. Of course, these are just speculations. There's no definitive proof that we're living in a simulation. Many scientists argue that these anomalies can be explained by conventional physics. And the idea of simulating consciousness remains a major challenge. We still don't fully understand how consciousness arises in the human brain, let alone how to replicate it in a computer. Furthermore, the energy requirements for running a universe-scale simulation would be astronomical, potentially exceeding the resources of even the most advanced civilization. Despite the lack of concrete evidence, the simulation hypothesis raises profound questions about our place in the cosmos. If we are living in a simulation, what is the purpose of our existence? Who are the simulators, and what are their motivations? Does free will truly exist, or are our actions predetermined by the code of the simulation? These questions challenge our fundamental assumptions about reality, consciousness, and the nature of being. They force us to confront the possibility that everything we hold dear might be an illusion. Perhaps the greatest value of the simulation hypothesis lies not in its potential truth, but in its ability to stimulate our imagination and push the boundaries of scientific inquiry. By exploring such radical possibilities, we are forced to re-examine our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Whether or not we are living in a simulation, the quest to understand reality is a journey worth taking. It's a journey that will undoubtedly lead to new discoveries, new technologies, and a deeper appreciation for the mysteries of existence. So, are we living in a simulation? The answer for now remains elusive. But the very act of asking the question is a testament to the human spirit of curiosity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. Until we find definitive proof or disprove the hypothesis entirely, the possibility will continue to linger in the back of our minds. A cosmic glitch, a subtle reminder that reality may not be what it seems.